All right, guys. Well, today I am about to go to the gym, but I want to show you that you're not stuck with your hairstyles. Now, whether you have 2 strands of hair or 5 strands, it don't matter. I am going to show you different ways on how you can, style your hair.
Then get up, get dressed, before work's off my list. What's left to do, just guess.
Guys, when you give your hair a break, I mean a real break, um, you'll see it different. You will see it different. Now, I'm planning on somewhat keeping my hair the way I'm about to style it now for maybe a week. Now, the back, let me show you. The back is rubber band. And that's all I need. Now, right here is got to be glue. And y'all already know what I told you guys about got to be glue, what it does to my hair, how I style my hair, things like that. But I noticed that, when I give myself a break, but being honest with myself though, when I give my hair a break, that's really when I see the difference of it growing, product change. It's just so many benefits to giving your hair a break. Whether it's a time saver for you in the morning, if you're a career person, or you have different options to run to when it's time to get dressed up and things of that nature. Just whatever your life calls for, it's good to give your hair a break. I rubber band the back of my hair, right? Because in the front, it's really what I deal with. But because I give my hair a break, I noticed that now I can rubber band the back of my hair. Now, I will repeat this for all of my, new people. If you're new, welcome. For my ride or dies, good morning. So, basically, guys, I cater to my lifestyle. I'm no longer working on hope with my hair. Have you ever had something and you say, I hope my hair do this, I hope my hair do that? Stop wasting time with that. Know what your hair is going to do and then work from there, okay? So, as you see, my hair is rubber band off in the back. It's rubber band off. And my hair was so short at one time, I couldn't even rubber band it because remember I told you I cut my hair all off July 29th. I cut it all off. And I had my husband to come back and refade this. I probably would go over that before I take my hair down. And guys, my hair was so short, I couldn't rubber band it. Now, with this got to be glue, I know I done told y'all in a different video. For some reason, it makes my hair looks black. But my hair is not black. If anything, my hair is like a 1B off black. Or a 6 brown. And now I'm seeing it got some blonde in it. I don't know if it's because of the sun or whatever, but it got little pieces of blonde in it. I'm like, okay. So let's just get to the point. I rubber band my hair like this for a reason. I'm not stuck without options. Let me show you the first option. All right, guys, this is like a head wrap that I got from like Teenu. I thought it was pretty. I only ordered one because, a lot of times you can order something and then when it comes back, it don't look nothing like it. So I got this for a couple of reasons. And that's when I don't feel like doing my hair to go to the gym, because that's where I'm going to go now. I could go to the gym. I'm about to go to the gym. And if I have my hair set like this, you put it on, it hangs down, and you can just, let it hang like this, or whatever you want to do. Also, guys, y'all know that y'all can put like a ball back there and make it big. If you want to make it big, you can put a ball there and then put the scarf on if you want it to be full. Do y'all know what I'm talking about? Hold on. All right, guys, this is just my hair bonnet. And you can, ball it up. Ball it up. While I'm balling this up, guys, don't forget to hit the like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment down below, guys, if there's anything that I did not address in this video that you want to know. Now, it depends on you know, which one you want to do. This is nothing but a wig cap. And you could just, you know, put that on there. And let me take this off. You got your wig cap and your hair bonnet and all that wrapped up. I got another little wig cap here. You can sit that there. Put this on. And you can hook this around your rubber bands, okay? Just hook it around your rubber bands. That's another reason why I like to rubber band my hair, guys, because those rubber bands or hair bands will hold anything that you have back there, and you ain't got to worry about it going nowhere. And so here's your little thing that you got from Temu. I think I'm going to order some more because I do like them. See that? You take it, you tie it as tight or as loose as you want. And you have a beautiful style, guys. Now, of course, you know, you could bring this as far back or as close as you want, right? Far back or as close as you want. So that's that option. Now see, if I had rinse on my hair, do you know that that rinse would have messed up my little cap? And this is another reason why I tell y'all don't worry about hair, because there's options. No matter what length your hair is, you are not stuck. You have options. Now, y'all know about my little Effie ponytail here. I done cut her so low that it's ridiculous. Because it comes with a lot of hair. So if you want a lot of hair, this Effie ponytail, go back and look at that video, guys, because this Effie ponytail comes with a lot of hair and it'll give you options. So you can put your Effie ponytail on this. This is the one that I should have left for last to show you guys, because this is really how I'm wearing my hair today. But this is, you know, another option. You could put, you know, you could put your hair in a ponytail. This is another option. All right, guys, this is just a bob wig. I don't, you know, I like my short hair. This is just hair that I had before. Whether I have it forward or backwards, even if I want to bring it forward and go about my business, I can go about my business. Line that part up with that. If you want to put your wig headband on, or get your headband from the Dollar Tree and put it on like that. And this is one of the reasons why I love setting. And see, I'm not wearing this. I'm just showing you guys that you have options. Don't worry about no hair. Don't worry about no hair, you know. But you have options. So, y'all knew a long time ago. I ain't gonna say a long time. It ain't been a long time ago. Y'all know I had made a wig. I told you how much I love my wig. My little crochet wig. Oh, I love my crochet wig. So, you can take that one off. Put your crochet wig on. Put your crochet wig on. Snap it on. And just like the bob wig that I just showed you guys, you can put a headband on. You can put your wig band on around that and go. Hell, you can make you a braid to go around there and go. So that's why I be telling you guys, if you have a problem with your hair, or I haven't addressed something in the video that you want to know, trust me, I got you. Don't feel stuck about no hair. Please don't feel stuck. So guys, it don't matter what length your hair is. Just remember, you always have options. And when I be putting my hair in these protective styles, when I take my hair down, you know, to wash it or to, you know, reset it or something like that, or to grease it, whatever I'm gonna end up doing to it, I can see actually the progress that my hair has made in growth, the color, you know, with the rinses wearing off, you know, the residuals of that, and I'm loving it, which lets me have more options. So I am about to get ready to go to the health club, guys. All right, guys, well, that is it. This is the end result. I am about to go out here and go to the gym. When I want to come home tonight and take this off, I can. I can still grease my scalp if I want to and things of that nature. But I have decided to put my hair up for a week, and with the different styles that I have shown you, I can look any way that I want to look and still be true to what I wanted to do with my hair. Well, guys, you have reached @It's Regina TV. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share. Hit that notification bell down below so you'll know when my next video is coming out. Anything that I did not address in this video, guys, just leave it in the comment section down below, and you know I am going to answer you back. Guys, you are awesome. You are the reason why my channel is growing, and I appreciate you guys so much. So continue to watch, continue to thumbs up, and continue to subscribe. So until next time, stay safe, stay blessed, love one another, and I'll talk to you later. Mwah.
Then get up, get dressed, before work's off my list. What's left to do, just guess.